Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 19th of March 2021 and in this video we are going to see the important current affairs from 19th of March 2021. Our first question is High Court of which of the following state has recently approved transgenders entry in NCC? Answer is option number 1 Kerala. What is NCC? Long form is National Cadet Corps, and recently High Court of Kerala has ordered that a transgender person be allowed to join the National Cadet Corps and has also directed that the law be amended to include transgenders in NCC. Answer will be option number 1 Kerala. Kerala, look at map. This is Kerala. Capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Governor is Arif Mohammad Khan and Chief Minister of Kerala is P. Vijayan. Next question. Which state or union territory has recently celebrated Chinar Day? Answer is option number 4 Jammu Kashmir. Recently, the Union Territory of Jammu Kashmir, the Urban Forest Division, Srinagar, has organized a program to observe Chinar Day on 15th of March 2021. This day was celebrated as Shohama campus of Sher-e-Kashmir University of Agriculture, Sciences and Technology, where the Chinar saplings were planted within the premises. The Department of Conservation of Forest, Srinagar, is currently planting about 2000 chinar saplings besides 12,500 more chinar saplings shall be planted during the year. Answer will be option number 4 Jammu Kashmir. Next question is who among the following has been appointed as the new Director General of CRPF? What is CRPF? Long form is Central Reserve Police Force. It is India's largest central armed police forces. It functions under the authority of the Minister of Home Affairs, Government of India, and CRPF's primary role is assisting the state or union territories in police operations to maintain law and order and counter insurgency. It was formed on 27th of July 1939. Headquarters is in New Delhi. And recently, Kuldeep Singh has been appointed as the new Director General of CRPF. Answer will be option number 1 Kuldeep Singh. Kuldeep Singh is a 1986 batch IPS officer. Answer will be option number 1. Next question is who among the following has been appointed as the new Police Commissioner of Mumbai? Answer is option number 1 Hemant Nagrale. Look at image. This is Hemant Nagrale. He is a IPS officer of 1987 batch and recently he has been appointed as the Police Commissioner of Mumbai, replacing Paramjit Singh. And this is Subodh Kumar Jaiswal. He is currently working as the Director General of CIS, that is Central Industrial Security Force. Answer will be option number 1. Next question. Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi has recently held a virtual summit with Sanna Marin. Sanna Marin is the Prime Minister of Dash. Answer is option number 2 Finland. Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi and Prime Minister of the Republic of Finland Sanna Marin has recently held a virtual summit in March 2021 and discussed the entire gamut of bilateral issues as well as other regional and multilateral issues of mutual interest. So answer will be option number 2 Finland. Look at the image. This is Sanna Marin, youngest prime minister in the world, and Finland, look at map. This is Finland. Capital is Helsinki. PM Prime Minister is Sanna Marin and currency of Finland is euro. Next question is as per the World Air Quality Report 2020, India is the dash most polluted country in the world. Answer is option number 3 third. Recently IQ Air is a Swiss air quality technology company specializing in protection against airborne pollutants, developing air quality monitoring and air cleaning products. It was founded on 1963 and headquarters is in Switzerland. And recently IQ Air has published a report called World Air Quality Report 2020. As per the report, India is the third most polluted country in the world and Delhi, which is the capital of India, is the most polluted capital in the world. The World Air Quality Report includes data from nearly 106 countries and the top most polluted city in the world is Xinjiang in China, followed by Ghaziabad in Uttar Pradesh. Delhi is the 10th most polluted city in the world. Beside Delhi, there are 20 other Indian cities among the 30 most polluted cities in the world. Answer will be option number 3 third. Next question is who is the author of the book titled The White Tiger? Answer is option number for Arvind Adiga. The White Tiger is the debut novel by Indian author Arvind Adiga. It was published in 2008 and won the 14th Man Booker Prize in the same year. The novel provides a darkly humorous perspective of India's class struggle in a globalized world as told through a retrospective narration from Balram Halwai. And in 2018, director Rahim Bahrani has made a film on this book, and Rajkumar Rao, Priyanka Chopra and Adarsh Gaurav were casted in the film, and this film was released on January 23rd, 2021 on selected theaters and Netflix, and recently this film has been nominated for Oscar 2021 in the category of Best Adapted Screenplay. Answer will be option number 4. Next question is, who is the new Director General of ISA? What is ISA? Long form is International Solar Alliance. It is an alliance of nearly 121 countries, most of them being sunshine countries, which lie either completely or partly between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. The primary objective of this alliance is to work for efficient consumption of solar energy, reduce dependence on fossil fuels. It was initiated by India and founded in 2015, headquartered in Gurugram in Haryana, and recently Ajay Mathur has been appointed as the new Director General of ISA. He has replaced Upendra Tripathi for the post of Director General. Answer will be option number 4, Ajay Mathur. Thomas Bach, he is president of IOC, that is International Olympic Committee. Andy Jassy has been recently appointed as the CEO of Amazon Web Services, and Dr. Nagoji Onkozo-Iweala has been appointed as the Director General of WTO, that is World Trade Organization. Next question is, who became the highest Indian wicket taker in T20 cricket? Answer is option number 3, Yajuvendra Chahal. India's leg spinner Yajuvendra Chahal has recently featured in his 100th international match for the national team during the first T20 international between England and India. In this match, he has become the country's leading wicket taker in the format, or in the T20 format. He has currently 60 wickets in nearly 46 T20s and has surpassed Jasprit Bumrah for India. Answer will be option number 3, Yajuvendra Chahal. Next question is, which former cricketer has been included as a member of the board of the Indian Professional Golf Tour? Answer is option number 3, Kapil Dev. Legendary cricketer Kapil Dev has recently included as one of the board members of the Professional Golf Tour of India. Kapil Dev, who captained India to World Cup glory in 1986, will work for the development of golf in the country. Answer will be option number 3, Kapil Dev. Now, answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, which of the following athletes is known as Ding Express? Answer is option number 2, Hima Das. Hima Das is from Assam and recently been appointed as the DYSP in Assam Police, popularly known as Ding Express. So, answer will be option number 2. Now, today's question is, which of the following day is celebrated as World Consumer Rights Day annually? Options are 13th March, 14th March, 15th March and 16th March. If you know answer of the question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss the question in the next video.